Pollution is a pressing global issue that poses significant threats to the environment, human health, and biodiversity. It encompasses various contaminants released into the air, water, and soil, altering the natural balance and causing detrimental effects. This essay explores the types of pollution, their consequences, potential solutions, and the resulting impact on the planet.
Air pollution is one of the most pervasive forms of environmental degradation, primarily caused by emissions from industrial processes, vehicular exhaust, and burning fossil fuels. The release of pollutants such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter contributes to respiratory diseases, smog formation, and climate change.
Water pollution occurs when contaminants are introduced into water bodies, including rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater. Industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, and improper disposal of waste are major contributors. Water pollution poses threats to aquatic ecosystems, disrupts marine life, and jeopardizes the availability of safe drinking water.
Soil pollution results from the introduction of harmful chemicals, pesticides, and industrial waste into the soil. Improper waste disposal, excessive use of agrochemicals, and industrial activities contribute to soil degradation. This type of pollution affects plant growth, harms soil organisms, and can lead to contaminated food sources.
The consequences of climatic changes are widespread and multifaceted, impacting ecosystems, weather patterns, and human societies. One of the most noticeable effects is the rise in global temperatures, leading to phenomena such as heat waves, melting ice caps, and shifts in precipitation patterns. Extreme weather events, including hurricanes, floods, and droughts, have become more frequent and severe, posing significant challenges to communities around the world.
Noise pollution is an often overlooked yet pervasive problem caused by excessive noise levels in urban and industrial areas. Traffic, industrial machinery, and loud human activities contribute to noise pollution, leading to various health issues such as hearing loss, stress, and sleep disturbances.
Pollution has severe consequences on the environment, disrupting ecosystems and biodiversity. Air pollution contributes to climate change, while water pollution harms aquatic life and affects the quality of drinking water. Soil pollution degrades soil fertility and affects agricultural productivity, leading to long-term environmental damage.
The pollutants released into the air, water, and soil have direct implications for human health. Respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and various other illnesses are linked to exposure to air pollutants. Contaminated water sources contribute to waterborne diseases, while polluted soil affects the safety of the food supply chain.
Mitigation efforts include transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and implementing policies to reduce deforestation. The international community has recognized the urgency of mitigating climate change, as evident in agreements such as the Paris Agreement, where countries pledge to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels.
The economic impact of pollution is substantial, affecting healthcare costs, agricultural productivity, and tourism. The treatment of pollution-related health issues places a burden on healthcare systems, while reduced agricultural yields and environmental degradation affect economies that rely on these sectors.
The dynamics of climatic changes in the Earth's atmosphere are complex, with far-reaching consequences for ecosystems and human societies. The scientific understanding of these changes, driven by human activities, underscores the urgency of global cooperation to address the challenges posed by climate change.
Biology, the scientific study of living organisms and their interactions with the environment, is a vast and multifaceted field that encompasses a myriad of branches, each delving into specific aspects of life. These branches collectively contribute to our understanding of the complexity and diversity of living organisms. In this essay, we will explore some of the prominent branches of biology, highlighting their unique focuses and contributions to our knowledge of life.
Governments play a crucial role in addressing pollution through the implementation and enforcement of stringent environmental regulations. These regulations can limit emissions from industries, regulate waste disposal practices, and promote sustainable development. Advancements in technology can contribute to pollution control and prevention. Cleaner production processes, renewable energy sources, and improved waste management technologies can help mitigate the environmental impact of human activities. Raising public awareness about the consequences of pollution is essential for fostering a sense of responsibility. Educational programs can inform individuals about sustainable practices, responsible consumption, and the importance of reducing their carbon footprint.
Pollution knows no borders, and addressing it requires global cooperation. International agreements and collaborations are essential to tackle transboundary pollution issues, such as air pollution and marine pollution. Shared knowledge and resources can facilitate the development of effective solutions.
Soil erosion is a natural process that has been occurring for millions of years, shaping landscapes and contributing to the Earth's dynamic ecosystem. However, human activities have significantly accelerated the rate of soil erosion, leading to detrimental consequences for both the environment and human societies. This essay delves into the causes and effects of soil erosion, exploring the far-reaching implications on agriculture, biodiversity, and water quality.
One of the primary contributors to soil erosion is deforestation. The removal of trees disrupts the natural balance that forests provide in preventing soil erosion. Tree roots help bind soil particles together, acting as a natural barrier against erosion. When forests are cleared for agriculture or other purposes, this protective cover is lost, making the soil more susceptible to erosion by wind and water.
Modern agricultural practices, while essential for meeting the growing global demand for food, often contribute significantly to soil erosion. Intensive tillage, monoculture farming, and the overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides can degrade soil structure and decrease its ability to resist erosion. Bare soil, left exposed after harvesting, is particularly vulnerable to erosion by wind and water.
Livestock overgrazing in pastures can strip away vegetation cover, exposing soil to erosion. When grasses and other ground cover are continuously grazed without adequate recovery time, the protective layer that helps anchor soil is diminished. This results in increased susceptibility to erosion during rainfall events or windy conditions.
The expansion of urban areas and construction activities can lead to the removal of natural vegetation and the introduction of impervious surfaces. Urbanization increases runoff, as paved surfaces prevent water from infiltrating into the soil. This enhanced runoff can result in accelerated soil erosion, especially in areas with steep slopes.